Bobby! Okay, I was just at the shop. I was just about to start my video, and then Robbie just called me. He just left the shop, and he said he got into an accident with Courtney's car, and he says he thinks he just wrote it off. So I'm just racing there right now. He says he's okay, but like, I just need to make sure. Like, I need to see it with my own eyes to make sure he's okay, because when you're in shock like that, you may not feel like there's a problem, but there actually could be something wrong. So I just want to get there.
That's disgusting. I'm coming around the roundabout, and some guy in the inside lane decides halfway through he wants to be on the outside lane in a fucking big brand new Silverado. And I literally am driving, and I just heard boom because he hit me there, and then he bounced and hit me again in the rear. Like, it was like a double whammy, and I like saw him hit me twice. And then his wife gets out fuming, which I all have on camera, because I was like, good thing I have a camera, so I took it out just to see what happened. I'm scared to open it because I don't know if it's gonna close again. We're close enough to the shop. Like, no, she doesn't even open. Or maybe it's locked still. Nope, it just doesn't open. Yeah, see, I knew that was gonna happen. See, the problem is
the window.
Yeah, the problem is if this A-pillar's dented or like bruised at all, like bent in, the whole car is just fucked.
It does want to close now. Are you okay?
I'm just not happy about it because I just bought a car from an auction.
I know.
I didn't want two of them.
I know, and you just...
And it's right-hand drive, so insurance isn't going to do shit about it.
No.
Like, this is a me problem. As long as this pillar's not completely...
Oh,
fucked.
dude.
Is it bad?
Yeah.
Like, super bad?
Yeah. Done. Look at it. That pillar's crunched. They're not gonna... There's. Yeah, let's get back to the shop.
I could drive it home. See, the problem is...
Don't take it home.
The problem is I could drive it home, but then what? I got to drive it all the way back to the shop.
Exactly. No, I'll drive you home.
Well, now I pooched your video.
That's fine.
I'm sorry that I pooched the video. This video might come out late. This video might suck. It's my fault. Whatever happens, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I feel bad.
Robbie called me. I was just in the middle of putting my pizza bagels in the toaster oven. Like, I literally got one pizza bagel in there, and then I got a phone call from Robbie. I'm like, oh, whatever. Maybe he's telling me to make sure I lock the gate or something. And he called me with this terrible news. The engine still works.
The engine runs.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I kind of had like an idea of how I was going to start this until I got a phone call and had to go save Robbie, but he's doing okay. And now he just took my Jeep back to his house just because he's going to leave this one here because there's no point taking it home when he's got to drive it right back. So Herndon just got here. So we're just going to start taking off some body parts and then go from there. But I think we should start with the fenders. Actually, no, let's start with the front bumper. Yeah, I'll do bumper, fender, bumper. That's subframe, right? Just making sure. Does look like a whole lot of oil pan. But...
What? No? So after lifting the trailer up and down.
One of these bolts under here is gonna be so tough to get out. I have no idea how I did it, but I think I'm gonna need like at least 10 inches of extension. And it's like 1/4 inch, so I don't really have super long ones, so I'm gonna have to combine like 4 extensions. Hopefully that works. I'm so excited to be starting this phase because like this is something that I've wanted for so long. Look at what I'm using right now. This is terrible. Like, look at this thing. Like, and like it doesn't even want to stay up. Oh. I don't know what I was doing a couple months ago when I was putting these on, so if I do remember correctly, I'm pretty sure I put 2 self-tapping screws into it. I don't know why I do this to myself. Oh, look at all the dirt that just fell out.
Car didn't even go anywhere.
I know. Okay, so this fender should be ready to be taken off. So Harinder's one of the people that helped me with this on the first time, and he hated every single step that I did because I wanted to rush this thing. And I know I've said so much stuff about rushing it, but like, it's because I really mean it. Like, I wish I didn't do it. Harinder is one of the people that said, don't rush it. What did I do? I rushed it. And now here we are, taking everything that we've done. Self-tapper screws, zip ties, like, I really wish I didn't do that. So that's why I'm telling you guys to make sure you don't rush things. It will take longer. Like, I promise you it will take longer, but you're gonna be so much happier with the end result.
Okay, no matter.
Sorry. Nice fenders. Poo-poo fenders. Hey guys, also let me know. I'm gonna change my taillights. And I was gonna try something, like I was gonna experiment with some ones that are from eBay and like do some cool LED stuff. But like I wasn't sure if I was gonna film it just because I didn't wanna mess it up. But like if you guys wanna see me mess it up or like hopefully get it done right, then just let me know down in the comments because I'm not really sure what I wanna do yet. But yeah, just let me know. Okay, I think I might have pooched this a little bit. I'm pretty sure I cut way too much off there because I'm not gonna be able to get this piece to bend over that well.
I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but there is at least like almost a 1/4 inch thick of Bondo. That is the most I've ever seen on a car. Like I just tried to tack weld it just because I was thinking I just went through a little bit of paint and it wouldn't matter. But it wouldn't weld, so I tried grinding it down, and there is so much Bondo here. It's insane.
Okay, I don't know if you guys caught that or not, but like I just had like a little fire in here, and I don't know how it looked on camera, but it was decently big from what I saw. But the problem is it's inside the body panel, like it's right inside there, and like I saw it from like here down to like there. Like it looked pretty big. Like I don't know what it looks like on camera, but like we don't have water inside here. Like we have a tap, but like I can't just go get a coffee mug and spray water and run back. And I can't like step on it or use my hands and put it out. So like the only option was for me to go grab the fire extinguisher. And luckily Robbie hung them over there, and he put one there that corner, and I think in the bathroom. But like luckily I knew where it was because I just really didn't want to burn this thing down, and I really just feel like it was my only option. But now I have such a big mess, so much residue. Like it's just filled in there, and I have no idea how I'm gonna get it out. Look at that. But now I have to deal with this huge mess because I'm almost 100% sure I can't keep welding with that stuff there. Okay, so while I'm doing this side, Robbie's gonna start doing this side, and he's gonna do the same thing. Cut it off.
Oh yeah?
Cut the flaps.
Yeah, you know how to do this. Oh yeah? What do you want me to do? I don't know, you didn't tell me I was doing that.
Oh, okay, well that's what you're doing. I don't know.
Peel this off?
No, you just cut right over it.
Oh, you
start right there and...
Do you want to give me just a nice line?
Yeah, I can tell you that.
Dude, you're looking good. Like the way it's finishing is looking super good.
I know.
But I just want to say, I've never seen somebody annihilate a paintbrush like you're doing with this. Like,
look at my hands.
We've used this in like 4 videos. And you are making the ultimate mess with it.
That's what my hands look like. And then I tried to wash them and it never really washed off. So then I just tossed a glove over top. That seems like a tomorrow's issue. I think we're gonna have to get a second coat on here, but...
Yeah, you will, but you already
the
cleaned
bucket,
it out?
yeah.
Well, half of it's on there.
No, small facts.
You really just gooped this much out of a fresh can. You don't have to be so violent.
You gotta do what you gotta do, you know?
Oh my God.
I don't know where to put
Oh
this.
my God, you have too much. That's your problem.
No. Watch that. Oh, boom. Ready?
Oh my God, it's on the wheels.
Don't worry about it, we'll burn it off. Oh, look at that. Boom. I think they call that your Uncle Bob. If this video gets 4 likes, I'll lick the brush.
You want your wet rag so you don't start fires again?
Yeah, okay, it was just one time.
Yeah.
That's what all fire starters
That's
say.
what all fire starters say. This is what I get yesterday. Brad's like, oh, I'm gonna go to the shop. I'm gonna weld my fenders. I'm gonna do whatever. He texts me, had a little tiny fire. Use the fire extinguisher. It's all good, brother. He didn't even tell me like what you burned or nothing. I'm literally at home thinking like, oh, he's grinding his fenders, because I didn't know what you were doing. I thought you were grinding. I thought you're like, sparks flew, box set fire. I'm like just thinking the worst, and you're like, just my car.
Yeah.
Little photo of your burnt car. Good job, mate.
I wonder if that's even metal. Yes.
What is with you? You literally
Now watch this,
don't
watch this,
need
watch
that
this.
much.
No.
Oh my
I
God.
told you, I learned from the auto body god.
Yeah, oh my God.
Ready? Watch.
Oh my God.
And then you go like this. See?
Oh man. I just feel like you really could just go lighter. I mean, you're getting it done fast. That's good.
Yeah. No, it's all about speed, because like when you're getting paid for this stuff, you need to be fast.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I've
All
heard of
right.
Apollo, but you saying Apollo, brother. He's gonna cut that clip. You gotta put that in the bloopers.
I don't have bloopers.
You're gonna start.
I'm gonna start bloopers. The whole video.
Your whole video is a blooper. You play your video, it's just the outro and then the whole video.
Yeah. I do my signing off thing and then the rest of the video.
Alright guys, thanks for watching my video.
Okay, see you later.
Oh, you gooped the tire.